As Valentine's Day is approaching, I have bought a very easy, quick and tasty recipe for you guys. These red velvet cupcakes are baked without oven and I haven't used any cream cheese for the frosting. I have just used white chocolate. So this is how simple I have made these cupcakes. Let's have a look at the recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder followed by half teaspoon of baking soda. Then 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix the dry ingredients and keep it aside, and now we will add all the wet ingredients together. So in another bowl, take half cup of melted butter. I have used salted butter. Then add half cup of condensed milk. You can also add 2 eggs or powdered sugar instead of condensed milk. Few drops of vanilla extract or essence. Then 1/4 cup of curd or dahi. This is normal homemade dahi. As these are red velvet cupcakes, add few drops of red food gel color. You can also add any color that you have. And instead of gel, you can also use solid or liquid food color. Then mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients gradually, and after every addition, give it a good mix. After adding all the dry ingredients, you will notice that the batter is very thick and you can adjust the amount of thickness using some milk. So you can add few tablespoons of milk. Again, I added few drops of red food gel color just to make it a bit intense red. So you can see the consistency of the batter. Accordingly, you can add the milk. Here I have got some silicone cupcake molds. You can also use cupcake liners or even katoris for making cupcakes. Fill 3/4 of the cupcake mold with the batter. For baking it in a vessel that is without oven, in a big vessel or patila, keep a stand and a lid upside down like this, and then we need to place our cupcakes. But before that, we need to preheat this vessel for 10 minutes at medium flame and then place the molds. For the frosting, instead of cream cheese, I am using white chocolate. So this is Maude compound. Total 200 gram I have taken. You need to chop this and transfer into a bowl. Now heat up Amul fresh cream of 250 ml Tetra Pak, blue Tetra Pak. Take only 200 ml out of it and heat it very nicely and pour it over these white chocolate. Let the chocolate simmer nicely into the cream. Cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. After then, give it all a very good mix. If you still find some chunks of your white chocolate, then you can double boil it. You can see the shiny glaze that we have prepared. You can also glaze these on your donuts. Right now I am refrigerating it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. So our cupcakes are done. So these have came out very nice and spongy. You need to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes at low flame and these will be done. So our white chocolate frosting has thickened nicely. Now I'm just gonna transfer it into a piping bag. You can also transfer it into a plastic bag if you do not have a piping bag. Now let's frost our cupcakes. You can sprinkle some cake crumbs on the top of these, or some sprinkles, or you can also drizzle some syrup of your choice. These are totally optional. Look how beautiful these red velvet cupcakes are looking. So you can bake this even if you do not have cream cheese, even if you do not have oven, beater, whipping cream. This is how simple I made this. So surprise your loved ones by making these delicious red velvet cupcake.